Are you a struggling candle business owner trying to go full time but don't know where to start? You know your candles are amazing, but no matter what you do, you can't seem to sell them, or at least consistently. I know how you feel. The world of business can feel like a minefield because it's so hard to navigate. It's difficult to know where to focus your attention to actually get results. And when you do finally focus on trying to sell your candles, you continue to struggle because you have no idea what's going wrong. Listen, I get it. It took me 5 years to get my candle business off the ground. I knew I had a great candle. I knew people bought candles often, but I just had no idea how to sell them. I tried setting up complicated e commerce stores, posting endlessly on social media, and so much more. In fact, the more things I tried, the less I felt any real traction. It was around 3 years ago that everything changed. I stumbled upon, almost by accident, the secret to selling candles. And by following this one simple system, I started to sell my candles. It worked so well, I could barely believe it was possible to be this easy. So I kept doing it. And fast forward till today, where now I own a six-figure candle business and only work one weekend per month from the comfort of my home. If you would like to learn how to leverage this one simple system in your candle business to get a flood of sales and give yourself not only financial freedom, but also time freedom, click the link somewhere on or around this video and it'll take you to a page where you can register for a completely free candle selling class I put together for you. In this training, I will break down how candle makers can get predictable sales every day without a complicated store or posting 24/7 on social media, and the seven biggest mistakes that separate struggling candle makers from those who make six and seven figures. So go ahead, click the link on or around this video, register for the free training. I will see you there.